Good morning, student. Now today is a new topic, hyperbola. Chapter is the same, conic section. Conic section, there are four topics. One is the circle in 11.1. Second is parabola in 11.2. Third is the ellipse in 11.3. And now today is the 11.4. This is hyperbola. First thing, what are the hyperbola? It's the set of all the points in a plane, the difference of whose distance from fixed point in the plane is constant. Now okay student, hyperbola के all formulas आपको बिल्कुल इजी. सबसे पहले what are the standard form of the hyperbola? Standard form of the hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is the equation of hyperbola. You know student, equation of ellipse, standard form of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. ellipse में प्लस आता है और यहाँ माइनस आता है, यानी कि x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is hyperbola की standard form. What are the shape of the hyperbola? Look here, this is the center of hyperbola, 0, 0, both are standard form. Now this thing, this is O is the center of hyperbola, always 0, 0. Shape of hyperbolic, this is parabolic, this side and that side. This is hyperbola, right? Now this is a dash. Ellipse में a dash को हम क्या कहते थे? Major axis. यहाँ is only name change, formula is the same. This is a dash. A is transverse axis. A dash is a transverse axis and this is B dash is called, ellipse में a dash को मेजर एक्सिस कहते थे और b dash को आप कहते थे माइनर एक्सिस. यहाँ ओनली नेम चेंज, a dash is a transfer axis and b dash is conjugate axis. Conjugate axis, only name change. कि what are the transfer axis, what are the conjugate axis, right? Only name change, but formula is the same. First thing, what are the length? Ellipse में length of major axis is 2a. Length of transverse axis is denoted by a dash is 2a. Same formula. Length of minor axis ellipse में 2b होता था. Same length of conjugate axis. जिस स्टूडेंट को इलिप्स आता है उसको हाइपरबोला आ जाएगा. इट्स द सेम थिंग इज 2b. स्टूडेंट, इलिप्स में देयर आर टू एक्सिस, हाइपरबोला देयर आर टू एक्सिस. वन इज द ट्रांसफर एक्सिस and other is the conjugate axis. And now second thing, then S and S dash is the coordinate of foci. What is the coordinate of foci in ellipse? C, 0 and minus C, 0. Hyperbola is the same, right? What are the coordinate of foci? That is plus minus C, 0. Student, ellipse में जब टू फिक्स पॉइंट को हम फोकाई कहते थे, सेम हाइपरबोला. First thing is the standard form change. Equation of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. But hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1, where s dash, that is the coordinate as foci. Now look here. First thing, ellipse में formula था c square find करने का, a square minus b square. Hyperbola में a square plus b square. Right? Second thing, now eccentricity. Eccentricity find करने का फॉर्मूला, ellipse में E equals to C upon A. Hyperbola is the same. What are the difference between eccentricity? Ellipse में eccentricity is E is less than 1, but hyperbola में eccentricity E is greater than 1. Is only difference ये आएगा कि यहाँ जब हम eccentricity find करेंगे, that is greater than 1. Now the third thing, length of transfer axis, length of conjugate axis and coordinate of foci. Now sixth thing, vertices. You know student, ellipse में vertices, a dash is called vertices, b dash is called vertices. This is the vertices on transfer axis, that is same a, 0 and minus a, 0. Coordinate of b is 0, b and 0 comma minus b. Why? Is the length are same. Length of transfer axis is 2a and length of conjugate axis is 2b. So what is this? Is a plus minus a comma 0, yeah, otherwise 0 comma plus minus a. Now the seventh thing, equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix, ellipse में x equals to plus minus a by e. Hyperbola is the same formula. This is directrix, this is the one directrix, this is the another directrix. That is the x equals to minus a by e and that is the x equals to plus a by e. This is directrix, right? And now eighth thing, what are the length of latus rectum? Ellipse में length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a. Hyperbola is the same formula. This is length of latus rectum. Now any chord is passing through focus and perpendicular on x-axis L dash. This is the latus rectum. Now and this is the last. What is the equation of latus rectum? That is x equals to plus minus c. So student, this is ninth thing is the hyperbola. Now it depend one question एक्सरसाइज. अब सबसे पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हाइपरबोला में भी टू फॉर्म्स होती है, बट डिपेंड. Ellipse में two form check हम करते थे. When a is greater than b, that is the first ellipse. A is the less than b, that is the second ellipse. But hyperbola में there are two form of the hyperbola. One is the hyperbola कि when foci on x-axis, this is hyperbola standard form, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. But now the second hyperbola, right, when foci on y-axis, so this is hyperbola, this is the second form. But what are the changes in second form? Equation of hyperbola is the first form, second form is only x and y change, y square upon a square minus x square upon b square equals to 1. This is the second form hyperbola. आपको यहाँ पर हाइपरबोला चेक करना हो कि फर्स्ट फॉर्म है कि सेकंड फॉर्म, ये डिपेंड करेगा व्हेन फोकाई ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, दैट इज द फर्स्ट हाइपरबोला, एंड फोकाई ऑन वाई एक्सिस, दैट इज द सेकंड हाइपरबोला, राइट. यहाँ पर ए और बी से चेक नहीं करना जैसे अपन इलिप्स में चेक करते थे. सेकंड थिंग, आपके पास में ये इनमें फॉर्मूले में क्या चेंजेस होगा. फॉर्मूला सी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला सेम, सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. इसेंट्रिसिटी इज सेम, लेंथ ऑफ ट्रांसफर एक्सिस, कॉन्जुगेट एक्सिस ऑल आर सेम. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फोकाई में चेंज होगा, प्लस माइनस सी कॉमा जीरो की जगह जीरो कॉमा प्लस माइनस सी. वर्टिसेस आर में प्लस माइनस ए कॉमा जीरो की जगह जीरो कॉमा प्लस माइनस ए. इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट्रिक्स में एक्स की जगह वाई इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस ए बाई ई, एंड लेंथ ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम सेम. इक्वेशन ऑफ लैटिस रेक्टम में एक्स इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस सी की जगह वाई इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस सी. तो दिस इज चेंजेस. Now the first thing, now the first question, equation of hyperbola is given. Question number first, exercise 11.4. This is only basic of the hyperbola. जिसको ellipse आता है वो hyperbola कर सकता है. Same formula, only change diagram, right? Only change standard form. So first thing is the equation of given hyperbola, x square upon 16 minus y square upon 9. First question, exercise 11.4. This is hyperbola. Now equation of the hyperbola is given. Then x square upon 16 minus y square upon 9 equals to 1. Right? Now compare into standard form, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Equate करेंगे तो first thing now find a square is 16 and b square equals to 9. What are the value of a? Plus minus 4. What are the value of b? Plus minus 3. जैसे हम इलिप्स में ए बी सी फाइंड करते थे सबसे पहले, कोई भी आपको सॉल्व करना हो, फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड ए बी सी. ए इज अ 4, बी इज अ 3. नाउ फाइंड सी, देन फॉर्मूला ऑफ सी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. That means square of 4 is a 16, square of 3 is a 9, then 16 plus 9 is 25. Then c square equals to 25, c equals to plus minus 5. 25 का स्क्वायर रूट. तो सबसे पहले ए बी सी फाइंड करना है. नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग ABC फाइंड करने के बाद नाउ फाइंड, क्वेश्चन में लिखा फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फोकाई, व्हाट इज इज सेंट्रिसिटी, लेंथ ऑफ लेटर सेक्टम। बट आपको ऑल क्वेश्चंस में ऑल थिंग फाइंड करना है। सबसे पहले आपने ABC फाइंड किया, ABC फाइंड करने के बाद नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग, नाउ फाइंड द इसेंट्रिसिटी। व्हाट आर द इसेंट्रिसिटी ऑफ दिस हाइपरबोला? दिस इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म, राइट? देन इसेंट्रिसिटी फॉर्मूला, फर्स्ट थिंग नाउ फाइंड इसेंट्रिसिटी. Eccentricity, you know student, eccentricity, that is the E equals to C upon A, where C is a 5, A is a 4, then 5 upon 4, this is the first answer, this is eccentricity. अब देख लीजिए eccentricity जो आ रही है, that is a greater than 1, that means this is the correct answer. Now second thing, ellipse की eccentricity हमेशा 1 से greater than होती है. Now second thing, now find length of transverse axis. Transverse axis, you know student, and length of transverse axis A dash equals to 2A, where 2A is 4, then length of transverse axis 8. Now find the length of conjugate axis, that means BB dash, formula is 2B, that means 2 into B is 3, that is 6. Now the third thing, now find the coordinate of vertices. You know coordinate of vertices is only major axis plus minus A comma 0, that is A is 4 plus minus 4 comma 0. Now find the coordinate of foci. You know student, coordinate of foci, that is a plus minus C comma 0, then C is 5, then plus minus 5 comma 0. Now the fifth thing, now find equation of the directrix of this hyperbola, that is the x equals to plus minus A by E. Then x equals to plus minus A is 4 and E is 5 by 4. That means is a 16 by 25. Oh sorry, 4 is 16 by 5. This is equation of directrix. And now the find sixth thing, find the length of lattice rectum, that is 2B square upon A. So 2B square is 9, A is 4. That means 9 by 2, this is the length of lattice rectum. And now the last thing, now find the equation of lattice rectum. An equation of lattice rectum, that is x equals to plus minus C, that is x equals to plus minus C is 5. So this is equation of lattice rectum. So student, all things, एक hyperbola, there are two forms. One is the when foci on x-axis. The foci on x-axis, this is the first hyperbola. Then first hyperbola, that means x square upon A square minus y square upon B square equals to 1. But now foci on y-axis, that is the second hyperbola. For example, y square upon 9 minus x square upon 27. So that is a y square is positive, x square is negative. That means the second form, right? Same A square is a 9, B square is a 27. Same find all things. कोई चेंजेस नहीं है, मैंने आपको माइनस चेंजेस बताया. सेम फॉर्मूले, जिसको इलिप्स आता है वो हाइपरबोला कर सकता है. थैंक यू. प्लीज सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज 11.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 6. थैंक यू.